Hello, my name is Fernanda Itzel Reyes Contreras, and this is my model learning outcome 2. And I'm talking about FEMSA Comercio OXXO. What values do we promote? Integrity, respect for people, simplicity, teamwork, passion for service, renewal, and leadership. Why is ethics important for your company? Thus, this is possible to focus on offering the best service to customers, suppliers, authorities, communities, and teams work interns. Also, the system establishes clear rules for better decision making on issues related to occupational health and safety, environmental care, and operation. How are those values aligned with society's needs? FEMSA Comercio's values and organizational culture drive us not only to do things well, but always go further. We have guides, processes, and organizational culture policies that help us communicate and transfer our values within the organization, to our customers, and to the communities where we operate. What does the company do to keep employees motivated? Carry out the evaluation to evaluate the satisfaction that the collaborators have, offering them some recognition and performance bonuses. What is the vision of a future world according to the company's values? In the last 3 years, together with FEMSA, we have held sessions for a dialogue with interest groups involving external experts in sustainability, as well as suppliers and collaborators of our units of business. In these meetings, we heard opinions about the strategy, sustainability report, and the topics considered most relevant to our future. Present perfect. They learn to work as a team, they still keep growing, and they manage to be recognized very quickly. Future tense. They want to grow even more. They want to position themselves in the first place before the competition, and they want to have the best staff always. Thank you.